And try this. And try this. Okay, let's see here. Okay. Okay, here we go. Woo!
That's my egg.
Yeah, that's some Parrot. You better put your cover on there.
That doesn't stop it still there, but maybe not so bad, you know.
Yeah.
I'm gonna put some this thyme, some parsley, put some dill, pimento.
Okay.
Yeah. For my escovite fish.
So you put all your
Yeah.
put all the spices
Together.
in there,
Yeah.
and then you sprinkle them and stir them in at once.
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay.
So,
Yeah.
some parsley.
Yeah. Okay. So the fish is basically cooked. So now now what you're doing is making the brown stew.
Yeah.
Okay. So what you have in the pan is part of what they call brown stew?
This is the ingredients that I'm using for my brown stew.
Okay. Then you put something in it to make it turn brown?
I can use like this.
Oh, that's what
soy sauce.
I see. So you do turn it brown.
Yeah.
Okay.
When they say brown stew, still it's basically like you brown the fish.
You brown the fish.
Yeah.
And you brown the fish and put it in the stew.
Right.
So what you're really making is the stew.
Yeah.
Ah. Okay. Well, that makes more sense then.
Yeah. But if you want, you can put like.
Well, I'm not saying you need to change anything that you normally do.
Right.
Just on account of mine not knowing.
Yeah. But sometimes you could put a little soy sauce. But sometimes I do that.
Yeah. Okay. And to catch parrotfish, you have to go. The divers have to go off the reefs to catch them. Is that how they fish for parrotfish?
But sometimes the boatmen do catch them in net too.
Oh, okay, but
Yes, in net.
but not on purpose. They just happen to catch them,
They sell them for fish.
and they'll get a few parrot in there.
Yeah, right.
Yeah, okay.
And
But the main way is to go diving.
Yeah, shoot, the men will go use they do this, what they call it?
Spear?
Spearfish.
They go spear fishing for the parrot. So that's
Yes,
what we're having.
because they are in the reef,
Right, yeah, and you can't get your nets in the reef. That's not going to work.
Yeah. But
Okay.
They stray and go for food elsewhere.
Right.
So they, yeah.
Okay.
You know they stray and go other places for food away from the reef.
Ah,
They can get
and
caught
they get
in
caught.
the net.
Aha.
Yeah.
Well, and then that we're going to eat them
Yeah.
because of that. So
Yeah.
that wasn't very good thinking on their part.
No, they weren't
Okay.
smart enough. But come like it's yours, so that's what much water.
Okay, well, when you get ready to put the spice in, you let me know. Or maybe you're ready now.
I'm just put it in right now. The
Just
spices.
right now? Let me look. Okay, there we go.
Spices.
Ah,
Thyme, pimento, lemon pepper, seasoning, some parsley, and what else?
I don't know. Maybe that's your secret ingredient. You can't give away all your secrets. You know?
That's true. That's true. Some
Yeah,
of
don't give away all your secrets.
Some
on
of
your,
Mrs. Dash.
don't, yeah. Oh, you know, you're giving away all your secrets on your very first video. I can't believe it.
Bell peppers.
Oh, no. Come on. Come on. Okay, well, it's starting to look pretty good already. Okay. Well, once that's cooked down a little bit, I'll come take some more photos.
Yeah.
Okay.
So,
All right.
the fish.
So you put a little oyster sauce and
That's my way.
your other secret ingredients
Yeah.
that we couldn't put on camera. Okay, I understand. You must give away every single secret.
But you think they give away all their secret?
No, of course not. We can't do that either.
So that when they cook it, it's not gonna taste like their thing.
Right.
It just, yeah. So it's gonna simmer for like maybe 10 minutes. And it's done.
Okay.
I put little lemon juice.
Oh,
Lime juice, sorry.
little lime. Yeah. Okay.
Instead of putting it out, just
Yeah. Okay. Cool. Well, we'll come back after a while and see what it looks like. I'm just gonna take pictures. We'll just
Oh, it should just-
let's put it up as pictures. That's fine.
it's done.
Yeah. Okay. All right. Here.
Are you dipping it up?
Yeah, you're dipping it up, plating it. Looks good. Let me get over here. Oh, it smells wonderful. My mouth is just, I'm salivating. Crazy.
So,
You did good.
yeah, and I'm hungry now. I'm so hungry.
Yeah, I bet you are.
Yeah.
Yeah, me too.
Yeah, we're gonna eat some fish.
Yeah.
Some brown stew fish and
Yeah.
rice and gunga peas with some sorrel drinks.
Oh, some sorrel. One of these days when you make sorrel, we'll have to video that. Yeah, that's good. That's some good eating right there. That is good food though. I'm telling you. We don't have to make like it's good because it is good. That's the way they do it on the YouTube videos when they're doing food. They go, I get real serious. I go, It is amazing though. It's true. It is really good. Well. Yeah, you did good, sweetie. Oh wait, I gotta put more in my mouth. I gotta put a whole bunch in at once.